Guys, today we are going to be making a veggie quesadilla, and I am going to be using the whole wheat tortilla and the reduced fat mozzarella cheese. I already have my whole wheat tortilla in here, so I just gotta add 3 spoons of cheese. Okay. And now I'm going to be using the spinach. And what I'm going to be adding inside mine is green onions, and tomatoes, and the shredded carrots. So, okay, there you go. And look at the plate. Okay, now I'm going to fold it. There we go. Now, okay guys, this is really easy to make this. You can make it at home, the kids can make it. Now let me take a bite. Mmm.